Hi, welcome to Alexander's. Today we will walk you through how to assist the operator on the SC3 cover making machine. As an assistant, your main role is to support the operator by preparing all necessary material so they can focus on producing cover efficiently. Here's a step-by-step breakdown for your responsibilities. Number 1. Cover shelves. First, the assistant must know how to locate the covers and organize them in the correct production order. Place them in the staging area accordingly to their priority as listed on the batch sheet. Also, your team leader or manager will mark the batch sheet with a star. If you see this star, you are noticed that these batches need to be done first. Number 2, read the batch sheets. Review the batch sheet carefully to understand which cover, spine size, and chipboard are needed. Number 3, collect materials. Gather the necessary spine boards and chipboards as specified in the batch sheet. Double check the size and quantities before bringing them to the machine. You may be asked to cut corners. The operator will ask you to cut the corners of specific covers. You will press the two buttons and hold them in the front of the machine and the machine will cut. At the end of the day, the operator will clean the machine. Meanwhile, the assistant helps to clean the area and take out the trash. This is the assistant's guide for the SC3 case making machine.